My name is Vicky. So here I am with the new AWS video. Now before I go to the demo, if you are here for the first time, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified of the new video. In this video we will learn how to work with IAM policy condition. Now what exactly the policy is? Now let me go to the IAM and explain a little bit about the policy before explaining what exactly the conditions are. Let me go to the AWS console. So here I'm into the AWS console and let me click on the IAM. Now here if we see, we have an option for the policy. Now this policy is something like the access we give to the user, to the role, to the group. Now whenever we need to give access to something, like let's suppose I need to give access to a user, I need to assign particular services to that user. So how I'm going to assign that? That is with the help of the policy. Now how to create a policy? We simply need to click on this create policy, and once we click on create policy, we are going to present with this JSON and the visual ID. Now if I have a knowledge on the JSON, I can create a JSON policy, and if I don't have a knowledge on the JSON, then it's okay. What we can do is we can work with the graphical thing. So here we have 4 tabs. First one is the service, where I need to select the AWS service. So let me select this. Here it is going to show me all the services which I have in my AWS account. So let me click on this, and from here I can select a service. So let's suppose I'm going to select the EC2 service. Okay. Now the next thing is for the action. Here I have an option to expand all, or I can select one of these access level action like list, read, tagging, write, and if I am going to expand this thing, I will get multiple options here. Now let me go with expand all option. Now from here I can select the particular access which I need to give to my user, to my role, to my group. Let's suppose I want to go with describe instance, or let me do one thing. Let me give complete access to this user. Okay. Now if I click on the JSON, it is also going to create the JSON policy for me. Okay. Let me go back and let me select all the sources here, and let's see. Yes, it is doing that. Now in the resources, I can select the specific resource if I need to do that. As of now, I don't want to select any of the specific resource. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the sources, and the last part is for the condition. Here we have the condition. Okay, that is something I'm going to do it later on. Let me click on next. Let me click on the view and give a name to my policy. So EC2 demo I'm going to give. Let me create a policy. Now this policy is created. So here is my policy EC2 demo, and if I'm going to expand this, it is going to tell me, okay, I have in action, I have all the access to the EC2, and in the resource, I have all the resource permission. Now what I need to do is I need to create a user and attach this policy to that user, so that that user can create EC2 machine, can delete EC2 machine. Okay. Now let me go to the user and let me create a user here. So the user I'm going to create is demo 2, or let me give demo EC2, and here I'm going to select the password. I'm going with the custom password. Let me unselect this box. Let me go to the next. Not now. Now here I have 3 tabs. What I need to do is I need to select the third tab, that is attach existing policy. Here we can filter our policy. I have just created one policy, so I'm going to select that policy, and this policy will give complete access on the EC2. Next tag, review, and create user. Now this user is created. Let me log in with this user. I'm going to open incognito tab or private window for me. Now here I need to enter the username. So the username is demo ec2 and the password is, let me retype the password. Okay, done. Now let me go to the North Virginia region and let me try to create a machine. So how to create a machine? For that we need to go to the EC2 console. Here I am in the EC2 console. Let me click on this, launch. Let me go with the default option. Here I am going to select the T2 micro, the free one, free tier. I don't want to give any tag. Okay, let me give the tag as well. So this is in US East 1. Review and launch. I'm not going to select any of the security group or any key pair right now, because this is just for a testing purpose. So I'm able to create a machine in North Virginia. Now let me change it to Mumbai, but before that let me click on this and see, am I able to create the machine? Yes, I'm able to create a machine, because the machine state is right now in pending. So I'm sure that I have access to create a machine, otherwise it is not going to allow me to create a machine. Okay, now let me change it to Mumbai region. Here also I'm going to follow the same step. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new machine here. Again with the same option, just the default option I'm going with, and here I'm going to give AP South 1, review and launch. Again I'm not going to select any of the security group or any key pair for this demo. I'm able to create. That's great. So with that, let's suppose this is the user which is attached with the IAM policy. Now this user is able to create machine in both the regions, right? In the North Virginia and in this Mumbai location. Now here the condition is going to help me. Now with the help of the condition, what I can do is I am going to restrict my user. I'm going to restrict my user so that my user is only going to create a machine in Mumbai or in US East 1 region only. Now how to give condition or how to attach a condition in the policy, so that is something we are going to learn. Now here again I'm in my root account, so here you can see I'm logged in with trainer right now. Now I will go to the policy. This is the policy which we have created, EC2 demo. Now here I need to add a condition. So how to add a condition? We need to click on edit here, or else what we can do is we can create a new policy, but as of now I'm not going to create a new policy, otherwise you will get confused. So I'm going to edit the same policy. Here I'm going to click on edit. Now it is going to redirect me to the same page where I have an option for the visual editor and the JSON. Now see, now what I need to do is I need to click on this and I need to click on the request condition. Now here we have add condition. Now in the add condition, it is going to present me with 4 tabs, so I need to select one by one. So condition key. Now here in the condition key, I need to search for requested region. Now this is a default operator. String is equal to, here I am going to give the value. Let's suppose US East 1. So that means this condition says the requested region is only US East 1. Let me apply this thing. Let me review this policy and let me save the changes on this policy. Now let me go back to the policy, click on this and see. Now here if we are going to see, our policy is showing that the effect is allow action is EC2, that means I can perform any action on the EC2 because there is a star here. So that means I can do anything on the EC2. Resource, on any EC2 resource I can take action. There is a condition apply which says that the string is equal to US East 1. So that means this policy attached to whosoever. That means as of now this policy attached to my user. The user is demo EC2. This policy is going to work only in this specified region only. So let's verify it. Let me go to my incognito tab. So here I'm in Mumbai location. Let me go to the North Virginia first. Now let me try to refresh this one and try to delete this machine or try to stop this machine. Let me terminate this one. I'm able to do that in North Virginia. That means I'm able to take all the action in US East 1. Now let me go to the Mumbai location. Now here it is showing me you are not authorized to perform this operation. Now let me go to the EC2 dashboard. I'm getting the API error. Now it is not allowing me to see the machine as well, right? Earlier I was able to create the machine in the same region, but now I'm not able to see it. Why I'm not able to see it? Because I have applied a condition to my policy. So this is how you can apply a condition to your policy. Okay, now this condition is not only going to work with the requested region, we have couple of other things as well. You can go to the official documentation and look for it. I'm also going to create one more video on this where I'm going to take an example of a S3 bucket, and in the S3 bucket what we are going to do is we are going to create multiple folders, and on a specific folder I'm going to give access to a specific user. Again, there also we are going to use the conditions. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Thank you.